C++ program demonstrate function definition. A function is a set of statements that takes input, does some specific computation, and produces output. Functions help us in reducing code redundancy. If functionality is performed at multiple places in software, then rather than writing the same code again and again, we create a function and call it everywhere. This also helps in maintenance as we have to make changes in only one place if we make changes to the functionality in the future. After the function definition, we now come into this parameter function. A parameter function uses a default parameter value by using the equals sign. A parameter with a default value is often known as an optional parameter. From this example, viand is an optional parameter and fried chicken is the default value. With C++ function overloading, multiple functions can have the same name with different parameters. Note that multiple functions can have the same name as long as the number and/or type of parameters are different. Function overloading is a feature of object-oriented programming where two or more functions can have the same name but different parameters. When a function name is overloaded with different jobs, it is called function overloading. In function overloading, function name should be the same and the arguments should be different. At last, we have to learn about the recursion function. Recursion is the technique of making a function call itself. This technique provides a way to break complicated problems down into simple problems which are easier to solve. Recursion may be a bit difficult to understand. The best way to figure out how it works is to experiment with it. Adding two numbers together is easy to do, but adding a range of numbers is more complicated. In this example, recursion is used to add a range of numbers together by breaking it down into the simple task of adding two numbers.